Today we'll talk about zebras. Zebras are African equines with distinct black and white striped coats. There are three living species: gravy zebras, the plain zebras, and the mountain zebras. Zebras share the genus Equus with horses and asses, the three groups being the only living member of the family Equidae. Zebra stripes comes in different patterns unique to each individual. Several theories have been proposed for the function of these patterns, with most evidence supporting them as the deterrent for biting flies. Zebras inhabit eastern or southern Africa, and they can be found in a variety of habitats such as savannas, grassland, woodland, shrubland, and the mountainous areas. Zebras are primarily grazers and they can subsist on lower quality vegetation. They are preyed on mainly by lions and typically flee when threatened but also bite and kick. Zebras specified in different social behavior, with plain or mountain zebras living in stable harems consist of an adult male or stallion, different adult females or mares, or their young or foals, while gravy zebras live alone in loosely associated herds. Zebras communicate with different vocalizations, body postures, and facial expression. Social grooming strengthens social bond in plains and mountain zebras. Zebras' dazzling stripes make them among the most recognizable mammals. They have been featured in art and stories in Africa and beyond. Historically, they have been highly sought after by exotic animal collectors. Zebras may travel or migrate to wetter areas during the dry season. Plain zebras have been recorded traveling 500 kilometers between Namibia and Botswana, the longest land migration of mammals in Africa. When migrating, they appear to rely on some memory of the locations where foraging conditions were the best, or may predict conditions months after their arrival. Plain zebras are more water dependent and live in moisture environments than other species. They can usually be found 10 to 12 kilometers from a water source. Gravy zebras can survive almost a week without water but will drink it every day when given the chance, and their bodies maintain water better than a cattle. Mountain zebras can be found at elevations of up to 2000 meters. Zebras sleep for 7 hours a day, standing up during the day and lying down during the night. They regularly use various objects as rubbing posts and will roll on the ground. A zebra's diet is mostly grasses and sedges, but they will consume bark, leaves, birds, fruits, and roots. Compared to ruminants, zebras have a simpler and less efficient digestive system. Zebras may spend 60 to 80% of their time feeding, depending on the availability of vegetation. The plain zebra is a pioneer grazer, mowing down the upper and less nutritious grass and preparing the way for more specialized grazers. In the wild, gravy zebras live to between 20 to 25 years, and in human care they live to between 25 to 30 years. That's all about it. If you like the video, share the video, and kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.